we're here. We're back. Steve, I'm gonna introduce you to Big Steve. We're heading up to. Alright, get it. Are you gonna say hi?
Hi. Hi, YouTubers.
Hi, YouTubers. There you go. We're heading up to Rangeley. We've been on the road, how long? 2 hours?
2 hours. Two more to go.
2 more to go. We're just getting off at 95 now. And yeah, so we're heading up now. Me and Big Steve are heading up for tonight. We're staying at our friend Mark's house, Mark and Mike. So thanks to them for letting us stay at their place. Tomorrow we got 2 more cars heading up, trucks heading up with a couple more people. We got a cabin on Rangeley Lake where we're all staying in. And so tomorrow, me and my dad are heading out. We're gonna do some riding, probably get some footage. And then tomorrow night, the rest of the crew rolls in and we'll probably hit a bar up tomorrow night. So more content to come, more footage to come. Should be a good weekend. We're hoping that we find some deep snow, even though conditions probably aren't that great. Where are we going tonight?
Don't know yet. We're gonna wait and see what's open and what's closed.
We want to go to Sarge's?
We can go to Sarge's, yeah.
Sarge's has better food. So we're gonna go to Sarge's. Maybe we'll get some bar footage tonight. We'll see. We'll see where the night goes. So, yep, stay tuned and check in next time. Alright, give it an update. Big Steve just fell out of the chair. The chair broke.
13 degrees.
He's concussion protocol. Got dizzy. His wrist is all banged up. Chair broke.
Yeah, and
Chair was right here.
I started a fire.
Whacked his head.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, your head put a dent in the table.
Put a dent in the table.
Head put a dent in the table.
Probably the whole season. You want to see my injuries?
Here's the injuries. Oh yeah,
Wrist
it's good.
cuts.
You have a bump on your head?
Yeah, right here I got a bump on my head.
He's got a bump on his head. You got a broken chair. Broken chair right there. So.
Oh shit! I mean, it was rough. I was dizzy at first, but I just laid there for a while.
So our lawyers are going to be contacting their lawyers. We'll figure out what the settlement is. All right. See ya. Big Steve. We're heading out. We're gonna go grab some breakfast and then we're gonna go up to East Kennebago Mountain. Try to say hi to the birds. Maybe we'll feed them. And then, yeah, so we'll get some footage along the day and we'll check back in. See ya. trails aren't they? These trails, so we just did, I don't know, maybe like 12 miles. These trails are hands down probably the best trails I've ever ridden in Rangeley. The conditions, they are flat like glass. Icy, but not icy. Just like hard enough where you get absolute traction, and it's a bluebird day. Look at this mountain behind us. So we're heading up to East Kennebago. We're gonna go feed the birds. I'm trying to get some slow-mo footage of the birds. So we'll check back in when we're there. We're here, we made it. East Kennebago. Check out this view.
Oh, great. Just a couple areas were bad.
Trail conditions, once there's parts where it's a little dirty, but overall great conditions. Definitely worth taking a day off and getting out on the trails. So we're at the top of East Kennebago. We're gonna try to find some birds and feed them, get some good footage of the birds, let them say hello to the vlog. So yeah, after this we're heading, I think we're gonna head to Bosebuck, over towards New Hampshire, and we're gonna grab some lunch over there. So check in, man. See you in a little bit.
This weekend's video is brought to you by Monterelli Landscape in Revere, Mass. The best in the business.
we're here. We're at Bosebuck. Get some footage inside, show you this place. Why are you videoing? Paying the bill.
Don't I pay all the bills?
We just got a ride from Batman. Dad, what do you think about Batman?
He's awesome. $10, can't beat it.
$10, drove across town, no DUIs. We're at Sarge's, we're gonna get a good dinner, prime rib tonight. Check in later. Unbelievable steak.